do you have PVC windows that have a slight breeze despite being brand new? Well, if you do, there is a adjustment that you can do on them, so you can adjust them for summer so there's a slight breeze, and adjust them for winter so that they are nice and tight. On this particular set, it's an Allen key. Some are not Allen key, but what you want to do is you want to turn it and it just adjusts. What you want to do is you want to turn it so that it's slightly further over to the near side. You've got one at the bottom, you've got one at the top. And then what that'll do is, once you pull it closer, once you pull it closed, it'll pull this seal tight and no more breeze. Same on the top window, it opens like that. Just turn it. You can do it the other way as well. You can do it that way, so in summer you could have more of a gap so it lets the breeze in. But obviously, I noticed the other day that despite completely insulating this house, it was getting a bit breezy and it was through the window, and we'd not adjusted them.